What is a simple still? By KayScience.com. Tap water isn't a pure substance. It is a mixture of water and dissolved minerals. A simple still is a very simple method for distilling a mixture. This is because it does not use a round bottom flask or a condenser. A Bunsen burner is needed to heat the mixture. A tripod safely holds the conical flask. A gauze is used to protect the glassware. A conical flask contains the mixture. You then place the tap water in the conical flask and then slot a bung and delivery tube into the conical flask, connecting it to a test tube. The Bunsen burner heats the water, causing it to evaporate. Evaporation is when water turns from a liquid into a gas. The water vapor rises upwards into the delivery tube where the gas flows towards the test tube. The water vapor has traveled a long distance away from the heat source. As there is less heat, the water vapor loses energy, causing the water vapor to form droplets of water. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. A simple still is not an efficient form of distillation. This is because when the water vapor enters the test tube, there is no bung in the test tube to trap the water vapor. Some of the water vapor is lost from the test tube. The water vapor condenses from a gas into a liquid. Some of the gas will escape before it has condensed. The minerals have high boiling points, so they stay in the conical flask as they do not evaporate. We have now collected pure H2O, where there is 100% water in the test tube. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.